Hi guys, today I'm going to be inflating Big Frosty and Big Santa. We've done a video like this before, but today we're doing it out in the garage because we got some quotes from you people, right Daddy?
Right.
I'm going to do the Santa first. Goes down here. He makes that noise sometimes. He stopped eventually. Now this one has a hole in him a little bit. We're gonna put this on YouTube, and I don't wanna like these. Like it's June, and I'm inflating Christmas ones. So this might be a little weird, even because these are Christmas ones. Yeah, we did these guys in the basement before. And we're going to close the garage door, right, Daddy?
Right.
So you can see him lighting up, right?
Right.
For now, he's a 6-foot Santa. I'll give you a hint. They're 8.5 feet. Both 8.5 feet. Yeah, they're both 8.5 feet tall. This guy takes a long time because he has a hole in his mouth. A little hole in his mouth, right, Daddy?
Right.
And I had to turn him because the fan was out the back. Okay, ignore the falling, the tipping. He tips. I told you he would do that. Oh wait, let me find the plug for this. Okay, found it. Now we plug it into the top plug. He's gonna start going right straight away. Watch. You can tell it he's going. Okay, so at nighttime, my grandma and grandpa are coming over, so I was like, let's see the YouTube video before they come over. Yeah, this guy takes, we put a
15 volt.
15 volt on the snowman, so you should inflate faster than the Santa. Wait, how many milliamps was the Santa?
700.
700, and how many milliamps was this guy then?
1600.
1600. So this guy inflates faster. The Santa was only this tall when we started, when he was still inflating at this point, right, Daddy?
Right.
And now he was getting this tall. Then he was up to here.
Jack,
What?
I need to back up out of the garage.
Okay. Okay with me. Yeah, so this is Big Frosty. The Santa only has one light that works, right, Daddy?
Right.
So he's gonna inflate very quickly. Yeah, the Santa was only up to this point. No, way down here still. And the snowman is up to this point right now. Right, Daddy?
Right.
No, he's up to the hat already, inflating the hat. He's already up to the hat. So the snowman's the fastest. Yeah, so the snowman will take a while, a few more seconds, and then he'll be up, and then he will show them off bigger. Yeah, so the I'm going to stand up so you can see what he really looks like. That's the Santa. And now we're gonna have to come in the garage and close it and turn off the lights, right, Daddy?
Right.
Okay. This might be a loud noise. Wait, I have to turn the light off. Yeah, so they are lighting up, and I couldn't put them over there because of the Acura, right, Daddy?
Right.
Yeah, the Acura right here. Yeah, so they are lighting up. I'm gonna turn the lights back on because it's a little creepy to come off, right, Daddy?
It is.
So I'm gonna open the garage back up. So it's less creepy. Yeah. So the lights are getting dimmer on both of them because of the garage. Now we are going to do a close-up, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
So let's come over here. This is a close-up. Oh, and I'm going to show the fan of the snowman because That's how big the Santa's fan is. I have to tip the snowman over a little bit, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
There's the fan right there. Same on the Santa, though, right, Daddy?
Right.
It's a little disappointing. Yeah, so we'll get a close-up look on the front. No, on the front. So this is the front of him, the snowman. He has this many buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 buttons. So this is the body. And now we're gonna do the Santa. And I have to tell you something. Go on Facebook and you'll see pictures of them, both inflated. Yeah, so this is the Santa's face. We have the back of him, which looks like the snowman on the back, right, Daddy?
Yeah, he's got a sticker on the fan now.
Oh, I remember that, putting that on there.
Okay, show him the hole in the Santa's mouth, and then we'll go ahead and turn it
So
on.
we have to show the hole in his mouth. That's why he's not inflating.
Yeah,
You can see it.
I think that's good now. Let's say goodbye.
Love you, bye.